Okay, this is translations on the coordinate plane. This is the teacher station. You'll know because it says homework 2 at the top of your paper. All right, let's get started. Number 1 says, describe in words how the figure at the right was translated. So remember, the little apostrophe means that is the image. This is the pre-image. So it went from this to that. So what happened? Well, I can tell you it didn't rotate, because if it was truly rotating, this would be facing a different direction by this point. Because the top here would have been over here, which would have been over here by that point, and then it would have been over here. So that's not going to be a rotation. It's not a reflection because this is not backwards, it's not flipped. So obviously it is a translation. So we're going to say the pre-image was translated and then I'm going to say how far did it go. So I'm just going to pick one of these corners and pick that corner. I'm going to go from that corner to that corner. So how far to the left did I go? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, and that lines up there. So it was translated 6 units left, and then how many up from there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 8 units up. Okay, so that's how we answer that question. And then it says to represent that algebraically. Whenever you see the word algebraically, they're talking about how would that look with your x and y. So what happened to my x? Well, remember, if I go left, that's my x. But if I went left, that's minus. So this is going to be 8 take away 6. And then I went up. That's my y. So for my y going up, that's addition. So it's going to be 8 plus 8. All right, let's try the next one. Number 3, use the translation below to label the following statements as true or false. So we're going to answer these true or false about translations. Here we go. First, let me go ahead and highlight. This is our pre-image, and then this is our image. So this is our before, and that's our after. Okay. A, the figure was translated from quadrant 1 to quadrant 3. So remember, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So did it go from a slide from 1 to 3? Was it translated that way? No, because this is your image. This is your pre-image. It actually went from 3 to 1. So this is going to be a false. The translation can be represented as x plus 8, y plus 7. All right, well, let's check that. So I'm going to pick this corner here. It doesn't really matter. And I'm going to see. My x means I went to the right 8. So let's see. I'm going to go from that A to this A. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, well, I can tell right now I did not line up with that other A. So this is already a false statement. The orientation or the direction of the figure did not change. No, the direction did not change. I still have ACB and I still have ACB. So that is a true statement. The image, that's this one, and the pre-image, that's this one, are congruent. Congruent means equal or same. And that is a true statement. The size did not change. Nothing changed about it at all. It literally just slid around. E, the orientation of the vertices changed. Nope, I have ACB and I have ACB. For this to be a true statement, you would have something like ACB down here, and then this would be B, and that could be C. Then that's a true statement. But since these did not change, this is a false statement. All right, let's look at number 4. Figure XYZ was translated as shown in the table of coordinates below. Given the algebraic representation for this translation. All right, so what we're doing is looking for those patterns again. So X went from -3 to 6. Okay, so for those of us who need a visual, I'm going to make a number line real quick. Okay, here's 0. So I have -1, -2, -3, and now I'm going to go all the way to 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, how much did I gain? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We went up by 9 on the X, all right? So what did we do on the Y? The Y went from 9 to 5. Well, we can do that one a little bit easier. 9 take away 5 is -4. So the X's are looking like we went X plus 9 and then Y minus 4. At least that's the first pair. Let's see if that continues through. So we have -6 to +3. All right, well, what we can do is say, what is -6 plus 9? Well, that would be +3. So yep, we're still true on that. And then we went from 10 to 6. Remember, it has to be -4. 10 minus 4, does that give me 6? It does. So I'm going to say that our algebraic equation, we can go ahead and stop when 2 in a row works. We're good. We're going to say X plus 9, Y minus 4. Okay, I'm going to let you guys try number 5. What you're going to do is, it says the coordinates for the triangle PQR are shown in the table below. Find the coordinates. Let me highlight. Find the coordinates of the image after it's gone 7 units to the left and then 6 units up. So you're going to write your new coordinates right there. Let's look at number 6. Number 6 says translate the figure 9 units to the right and 9 units up. All right, first, let's make our dots. So I'm going to pick, since we're going to the right, I always pick my farthest dot, which in this case it's F, and I need to go to the right. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. F is going to come way over here, F prime. Now let's do my E. Now if I guess right here, my E is only 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, actually, let's count that again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, 4 back. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. This would be my E prime. And then I have my H, which is down here. Now H is going to move 9 places again. So I'm just going to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is my H prime. And then my last one is G. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's my G prime. Okay, I'm going to connect all of these. Yeah, yellow's good. All right, we'll connect all of these. All right, but if you notice, I only went to the right, but now I got to move this whole figure up. Okay, I'm going to let you do that. So you saw how I counted out the boxes going to the right. Now, when you get to this box, you're going to move up. So for instance, E would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. My E is going to officially end up right there. Okay, so go ahead and map that out for 6, and then I'm going to let you go ahead and do 7 as well. All right, looking at this bottom here, we're going to do a little matching game. All right, it says the coordinates below represent points that are translated. Draw a line to connect the coordinates with the correct description that's been written algebraically. All right, so here we go. Let's do 8. We went from -4 to -11. So that is 7, okay? Because if you go from -4 and then -11, if you're going from -4 to -11, that's an increase of 7. And then here, I'm going to go from 7 to 14. That's also an increase of 7. So we are going to, actually this would be, yep, okay. So this would be 7 as well. So 7 up. So we are going on the X column. We're going to go X plus 7. No, excuse me, minus 7. Let's erase that real quick because we're going to the left. X minus 7. We're going to the left, and then this would be y plus 7 because we're going up because it increased. So which one does that look like? That would be this one here, and then which situation over here? So we have x minus 7, y plus 7. So that's going to be this one right there. All right, I'll let you guys do 9 and 10. So that'll end this tutorial.